We did the installation of our Power Commander Delta. We ran through the app for Power Commander Delta. Now we'll dive into actually using PowerCore and the C3 tuning software suite to further refine the calibration that's inside the Delta to make it drive how you want, to make your ride the ultimate ride. So let's get into it. Should you wish to alter or adjust the power modes A, B, and C of your Power Commander Delta to suit your needs, or even just look at all the tables that are available in Delta, you do that for free right inside PowerCore software. So you would connect your USB cable to your Power Commander Delta and then click on the Receive button. This will read in the entire memory of the Power Commander Delta. You'll see our sets of tables here: Boost, Power Mode, Speed, and Throttle. We can start out with Boost. So this is our off-the-shelf, stock improved Power Mode A, where at wide open throttle, we have 5 pounds of boost offset. At 90% of total pedal application, we have 3 1/3, and then at 80%, 1.67 pounds of boost offset. And then we tail back into 0. So we don't do any boost offsetting under 70% throttle on Power Mode A. Power Mode B is slightly tamer, where we offset by 1, 2, and 3 pounds. Power Mode C has no boost offset. The offset percent here, this tells the Power Commander Delta when to start ramping in its actual boost offset. And this is based on the manifold air pressure sensor in that the Delta is receiving. So unless you're building, in this case, at our atmospheric pressure of around 12.5, unless you're around that 19 pounds of absolute, we're not going to start offsetting to keep check engine lights away. You can also use the view and show table notes to give you a description of what each of these tables means. Next up would be Power Mode. If you do wish to utilize our active Power Mode switch accessory that you wire in through the terminal strip on the Power Commander Delta, instead of using your app to adjust the power modes, you would set this value to a 1. In 0, it defaults to the app being in charge. Next up would be our speed settings. So this would be a new speed limit where we have set this to 95 in the app. If I entered 90 here, which would be stock, or even if I wanted to say 70 to have a lesser than stock speed limit, I could do so. This is redundant again from app to PowerCore software, and then click send. It'll tell you to please ensure the engine is not running before sending the tune. And then you can click yes to preserve speed calibration should you wish to retain your tire size ratio or throttle position calibration as well before sending. It'll write that, and then you can see that this has held the 70 mile per hour speed limit. And if we wanted to just verify, we can close this document and then re-receive it just to verify that yes, our changes inside that we did on computer over USB are being respected. And we see that right here with a 70 mile per hour speed limit. Next up, tire size ratio. This is that 1.08 setting that we got by going from our 31-ish tire to a 34. We can also manually enter this inside PowerCore, and it would be respected by the Delta and then show us in the app. So we can drop this down to say a 6% offset and then click send. We'd be prompted with the same sets of messages. And then we're looking at our min and max voltages. This is when we calibrate our throttle position using our app. We have our 2.86 max voltage on the pedal and 0.45 volts for a minimum throttle position voltage. Now here comes those pairs. So our boost offset Power Mode A and throttle request Power Mode A, these go in tandem. You can't say, oh, I want C's pedal profile with A's boost unless you set them up in that manner. So here, if you wanted to see how that looks in 2D form, you could see that our Power Mode A, our maximum amount of offset, has this 2D graph at 80% throttle. We're offsetting all the way. We're applying the maximum that the throttle could have at the blade. So this is a percentage of offset between amplifying at the pedal to what it can be in total. So at 80% throttle, we're saying this is wide open. Power Mode B tames it down a little bit, and then Power Mode C is just the stock pedal feel. And that's kind of a wrap for all the tables and features that you can see inside PowerCore. If you were to make any changes, make your own A, B, and C combos, you can do it right inside PowerCore. But again, Power Commander Delta, it's a Bluetooth device. It's super cool, super sleek to have that interactive platform right on your phone. So most users might not even use PowerCore. You don't need a PC to run your Delta. That's a pretty cool feature. All right, guys, thanks for joining us for the entire product tutorial of the Power Commander Delta. We went through installation, we went through how to use the app, and we even hit on PowerCore and sending of different files to the Power Commander Delta, where you're refining your A, B, and C calibrations for your active power modes. So we hope this has been helpful, and until next time, stay tuned.